Hi everyone, welcome to our candy nail art tutorial. Today we are going to show you how to create 5 delightful and playful nail art design inspired by your favorite candies. First up, we have the red star nail star. By applying a base coat, then paint your nails a vibrant red. Once they are dry, use a fine brush or a nail art pen to add white star shaped essence. This design is perfect for a pop of color and touch of whimsy. Make sure you like it design and please subscribe my channel and please support me. Next we are diving into the lime and white combo. Paint your nails lime green and let them dry. Then create a diagonal line across each nail with white nail polish. It's simple but the contrast is striking. Dark gray elegance. Moving in on to the dark gray elegance, apply a dark gray polish as your base. Once it's dry, add a touch of gum with silver glitter polish. This design is perfect for a more sophisticated candy inspired look. 4 color combination. Love let's creative with the 4 color combination. Paint each nail a different candy inspired color like a blue, rose color, and light gray and brown. Finish off with some fun nail art detail like stripes or dots. Green with lollipop sticker. Finally, we have the green nails with the lollipop sticker. Surprise paint your nails a sweet green shade and let them dry. Then apply a lollipop nail sticker to one nail or for an extra dose for candy fun. There you have 5 fantastic candy nail art designed to sweeten up your style. Don't forget to like and subscribe my